Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, Lila Ike is celebrating being #1. Lila Ike's 7-track EP, The Experience, has been ranked the top-selling reggae set in the United States this week. According to statistics provided by Nielsen Music, a subscription-based platform that tracks the sales of music in the United States, The Experience, released on May 15, sold 454 digital copies in the first week and debuted at the top of the current reggae albums chart. Meanwhile, Lila Ike today treated fans to a live Q&A and acoustic song session courtesy of Clark's Original, where she shared that if she could change any aspect about the local music industry, it would be that reggae and dancehall music would not be segregated by genre.
I guess it would be how different artists interact with each other. Just the concept that reggae over here so and dancehall over here so. You know, I would love for more reggae and dancehall artists to be in studio together, working collectively, you know. So that's one thing, just the whole idea that reggae is conscious and dancehall is not.
The I Spy singer also noted that she would like to collaborate with several East African artists.
In general, me that love a song with Wizkid. I really like Rema. And I also think Burna Boy is dope. I've been listening to these music long time. Tanya Stevens too. Be on The Experience though, but that didn't work out. But for sure, eventually.
Lila Ike also treated listeners to a COVID-19 inspired freestyle.
When there's no more virus and we can all be gathered.
Clark's Original has an ongoing love affair with Jamaican artists, and in January invited the Solitude singer to Paris Fashion Week. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.